How to scan Netflix QR code on phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan a Netflix QR code on your phone. So first, make sure Netflix is open on your TV or device. You will see the sign in screen and at the bottom, you will have two options, sign in or get started. If you already have an account, click on sign in. Once you select sign in, Netflix will show a QR code on your TV screen. This is what you will need to scan using your phone. Now, grab your phone and open the camera app. Hold your phone's camera over the QR code on the TV screen. Make sure the code is centered in the viewfinder. Once your camera detects the QR code, a notification will pop up at the top of your screen. Tap on it and it will open Netflix on your phone, either in the app or a web browser. Next, you will see a sign in page on your phone with a code. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen. After that, you will be signed in into Netflix on your TV. And that's it. You are now signed in on your TV using your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.